Listen, speak, read, write.
Thank you for watching this video. Please show your support. Subscribe now, like, and comment. Lesson 2, Phonemes and Graphemes. What are phonemes and graphemes? A phoneme is the smallest distinct unit of sound in a language that can distinguish one word from another. A grapheme is the written representation of a phoneme. It can be a symbol, letter, or letter combination. This is a hat. The word hat has 3 letters, H-A-T. The word hat has 3 sounds, H-A-T. In our example, we learned that the word hat is segmented into 3 phonemes, H-A-T. Let's see how one phoneme can distinguish one word from another. We will use the phonemes k, r, h, a, and t, represented by the letters C, R, H, A, and T, respectively. This is an animal. To say what type of animal this is, we use the phonemes k, a, t. To write what type of animal this is, we use the letters C, A, T. This letter combination spells cat. But if we change the letter C to the letter R, our new word is rat. If we change the letter R to the letter H, our new word is hat. Are phonemes and graphemes the same as alphabets? Phonemes and graphemes are not the same as alphabets. Let's take a closer look at alphabets, phonemes, graphemes, and words. The English alphabet is a standard set of 26 letters that have a specific order of A to Z and consists of 20 consonants, 5 vowels, and 1 letter that can be a vowel or a consonant. Each letter in the alphabet has a name and a unique symbol that can be written in uppercase and lowercase letters. Phonemes. In American English, there are approximately 40 phonemes that can be divided into vowels and consonants. However, phonemes are not a standard set and can vary within the same language from country to country and even region to region. Graphemes. Graphemes represent phonemes in written form such as symbols, individual letters, or letter combinations. Graphemes do not have a standard set, number, or specific order of arrangement. Also, a single grapheme and/or multiple graphemes can represent the same phoneme. Words. Words are a form of communication that allows us to express an idea, thought, emotion, concept, and so much more. We will review the phonemes of American English within Lesson 3 and Lesson 4. Reminder, a phoneme is the smallest distinct unit of sound in a language that can distinguish one word from another. A grapheme is a symbol, letter, or letter combination used to represent a phoneme. That's the end. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and a comment would be wonderful.